Hello and welcome back. Today we have a geometry puzzle that looks simple but hides something beautiful. We have a big square, and inside the big square there is a small square. Notice that the small square touches all the four sides of the square. Okay, the area of the inner square is 25 square units. Also, this shaded triangle in the corner is 6 square units. If we draw a circle on the bottom right side of the square, can you find the area of the circle? If you want to find it yourself, please pause the video and do it, and drop the answer in the comments section. So, let's start it. We are given that the area of the inner square is 25 unit. Also, we know that area equals side square. So, each side of this square is 5 unit. Now look, there are the 4 triangles sitting in the corners, and they are identical. Let's prove it. There are 2 acute angles of the bottom left triangle. Let's call this alpha and beta. We know that in a triangle, the sum of all angles is 180 degree. Hence, one angle is 90, so alpha plus beta equals 90 degree. Now, look at the corner of the inner square. There is also a 90 degree angle. That means the adjacent angles must also be the sum to 90 degree. Hence, all 4 triangles share the same angles and the same hypotenuse of length 5. And by the right angle hypotenuse side rule, they're congruent. This rule states that 2 right-angled triangles are congruent if their hypotenuses are equal in length and one corresponding side is equal in length. Therefore, every triangle has area of 6 unit. Let's find out the big square area. Its area is just the inner square plus all 4 triangles' area. That's 25 plus 4 times 6, which gives us 49 units. Now we have the triangle area that is 49. Then, the side length of the big square is 7 units. Now, let's consider this line length is x unit. So, this remaining length is 7 minus x. As this triangle is congruent to this triangle, this length is also 7 minus x. Since this is a right triangle, we can now use the Pythagorean Theorem, and it states that hypotenuse square equal base square plus perpendicular square. So this becomes x square plus 7 minus x square equal 5 square. After simplification, we get the value of x that is either x equal 3 or x equal 4. Here, a classic 3, 4, 5 right triangle formed. Is that the end of the problem? No. Our job is to find the area of the circle that are inscribed inside the triangle. Now let us support. This is the center of the circle. If we draw 2 lines from the center to the edge of the circle, that is the radius of the circle. Let's call this radius r. This radius meets each side at a right angle. That creates a small square in the corner with side length r. So this side is also equal to r, and this side will also be r. Now, look, this whole line length is 3. So the remaining this length is 3 minus r. Similarly, this line length is 4, so the remaining length is 4 minus r. Okay, now look, these 2 lines, we know its one side length is 3 minus r. Remember that when 2 tangent lines are drawn from a same point to a circle, their length are equal. So, by tangent theorem, this line also equal 3 minus r. And the same theorem apply to this side. This line is 4 minus r, so this line is also 4 minus r. Now, look at the hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse is 5. It also equal to 3 minus r plus 4 minus r. So it becomes 7 minus 2r. And this becomes r equal 1. Now we have the radius of the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r square. Put r equal 1 and it becomes pi. So the area of the circle is pi. And that is our required result. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel because there are plenty more problems like this one coming your way. See you in the next video. Good luck!